In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed an Instagram feed app onto your Wix website. This tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring your Instagram feed is elegantly displayed on your site, enhancing your overall user experience. Let's dive straight in. First, let's head over to Elfsight Apps. Elfsight offers a range of widgets that can be easily embedded into websites, and they're particularly user-friendly. Once you're on the Elfsight homepage, you'll want to locate the Widgets section. This is where we can start working on our Instagram feed integration. Next, in the search bar that you'd find there, type in Instagram feed. This will direct you toward the specific widget we're planning to use. As the results show up, click on the Instagram feed option. This will provide you with more details about the widget's features, and it's an excellent opportunity to familiarize yourself with what you'll be embedding. At this point, you'll want to click on Create Widget for free. Elfsight makes it easy for users to test their widgets before committing, which is great if you're ensuring it'll fit your site beautifully. Once you've clicked, choose Continue with this template to move ahead with the preset configuration they've set. After this, you'll be prompted to Add to Website for free. Clicking here will eventually lead you to publish your widget. So go ahead and select Publish. Next, Elfsight will ask you to pick a plan to install the widget. For today's purpose, we'll stick with the free plan, so just click Select under the free option. With your widget ready, it's time to integrate it into your Wix site. Copy the code that Elfsight provides. This code is essential as it will allow your Instagram feed to appear on the site. Now head over to the Wix website editor. Once there, start by clicking on Add Elements. This is where you'll integrate third-party codes. Click on Embed Code, and then select Embed HTML. This option specifically allows you to input the custom HTML code that we copied earlier from Elfsight. In the field that appears, paste the code you've got. With that complete, go ahead and click on Update to save and reflect the changes on your site. Now, your Instagram feed should be live and visible on your Wix website. Take a moment to tweak its positioning and size to fit your site design perfectly. Adding dynamic elements like an Instagram feed can significantly enhance the visual appeal and interactivity of your site. Thank you for following along, and happy embedding!